Hey, it's me! Well, the clone version of me. Are people nitpicking if my lip sync is off by 2 frames? No. They are asking 2 things. Does this actually help me right now? Does it help me solve a problem? That's it. So when you build your avatar with Ace Digital Solutions, just hit them with the 3 things people actually watch for. Number 1, what is popping today? The trend or update they do not want to miss. Number 2, straight up info that solves their problem, no fluff. Number 3, one quick you got this spark to keep them moving. That is the whole game. People are not judging perfection. They are judging, did this fix my day or not? And if it did, they will watch the whole thing, share it, whatever. 1 selfie, 1 minute of you talking, boom, unlimited videos that actually work. Stop overthinking. Email me, click the QR I send back, drop your pick and script. We will crank out your clone army. Ace Digital Solutions, let's go. Let's get your avatar working for you.